We're going to try and change the oil in the gearbox for the snowblower. The trick has been to find the correct oil. I needed a straight 90 weight GL4 and was not able to find it. So I've created a situation where my snowblower barely fits in the garage. I've got this insulation on the garage door. It's left me no room to actually work on it. If I open the door, it's going to be cold out there. So I'm just going to try and squeeze my backside in here and see if I can get that taken care of. Still got this healing going on. Let's see what we can figure out. Oh, see, just the abdominal twists are rough. I know I got a drain plug in the bottom. I got a port here in the front. And maybe this comes off the top. Yeah. Feels like it'll come off of there. That comes right off. It's actually the plug. It's loose. Well, that was no good. Why would that be loose to begin with? It would have been leaking out, probably like it did. What you don't realize about mechanic work is so often it's almost like Pilates or something. Is that Pilates yoga where you're kind of holding yourself in contorted positions for long periods of time? Abdominal muscles are necessary to do mechanic work because you got to hold yourself in positions. I can't see it. I can't really get a feel for it. That feels pretty tight. Oh. All right, now I need an Allen to pop that drain off of there. I could force it with a standard, but oh, look at this. Comes with some kind of a hose or something here. Oh, that hurts. Yeah, that hurts. Let's not do that. Oh, so we're going to pour it in here. When it gets to the level it needs, it's going to come out here. Or if the bottom's not tight, it'll come out the bottom. I can't do it. Oh. There it is. I got the snowblower oil changed. Okay, now this is not really shoveling snow. This is just pushing snow. The doctor didn't say I couldn't push snow. Oh, now that hurts a little bit. Kind of pushing it forward. Let's not do that again. Oh, now I can't get up. I thought that was all. I thought that was all packed down from the last time, and it was not. So I got a little slushy in the britches. I found that if I can get this right here, if I can get this packed down, see, it's still not packed down. But if I get that packed down, then I make a ramp that goes right out there, and then I can just walk on that and dump it. But it's not packed down yet. See, so you can kind of fill it in and drive over it. And it helps to pack it down, especially when the snow gets heavy. That sled comes over the top of it. So those of you in snow country know, once you walk on it, it sticks. If you can shovel it before someone walks on it, then your driveway or your walkway will stay pretty clear. I can just shovel that up. See, it doesn't take me any physical strength here to move this around right now. As long as I don't fall in the unpacked snow like I did earlier. Oh, see, I can't do that too many times. Falling in the hole there. I'll try and fill that hole in. Let's see, when I step on it, when I step in here and it's not packed down, I'll sink in. So then I just gotta come back with my snow and fill in the holes and drive over it. Eventually it gets packed down. Starting to pack down a little now. I've got that accomplished. Let's go put some air in the tires of Little Red. Make sure it's ready, then I can come back and finish this up. I just want to be ready. My friends have all offered to come help. It's important to me that I make their time efficient. So let's go take care of that, and we'll be ready when they get here. These tractors come out of about 88 to 90, 91 maybe. The tires are a unique size. To replace these tires is about $1,000. So I just keep putting air in them. Okay, so that's ready to go. Let's go shovel a little more snow off the front drive. I'm just gonna clear this off now. My schedule is set. Everything's done I wanted to get done for my friends. So I feel like I should tell you, you know, I sincerely appreciate when you comment on our videos, and I ask for comments, and I'm anxious to respond and have that correspondence back and forth, you know. But what I'm seeing is that as soon as I respond to comments, YouTube seems to shut my algorithm off and it doesn't feed it anymore. And so I go from gaining, you know, several views an hour to nothing. Which maybe several views an hour is not much to some people, but to us, that's a lot. And all of a sudden it just shuts off, like they just stop showing it to people. So I want to comment back. I'm going to hold off for a week. I'll comment on the following week. I'll respond to the comments from the prior video, and we'll see if that makes a difference. I've tried it before, it seemed to make a difference. I was going to just try different things, and that doesn't seem to be working for me. So I do appreciate when you comment, and I enjoy hearing from you. I just can't respond right away, or YouTube kills my algorithm. I like to be clean and methodical when I remove the snow. I don't know why. It's just that crazy dog would run around in the snow and kick it all over the place I just swept. It'd drive me crazy. She's not here to do that to me now. Kind of miss her. So you kind of wish that making videos would have some kind of purpose, and I don't know what that purpose is. But I will tell you that I did not take any pain meds for this. Once they turned me off of the little button, I didn't take anything beyond that. I have a lot of friends and family. I've just observed over the years people that get addicted to painkillers, and it's never anything they plan to do. It just sort of happens. They had a surgery, and it just sort of evolved into this problem. And to think that would never happen to me, you know, that time when ignorance and arrogance blend together, I just prefer to not do it. Now, the first surgery, I was taking some of those pain meds, and a friend of mine pointed that out to me. Hey, you got to watch out for that. And so this time it was just Tylenol. It's possible. It hurts, but it's possible. Maybe that motivates somebody to not take them or to stop taking them, or I don't know. It's up to you, you know, but it's just observations I've seen in life. Oh, that was not good. That had a bit of a stretch to it. Not good. I should not do that. See there, I fell down in the hole. I know the lighting makes it difficult to see, but I thought it was packed down. I thought it was packed down, and it was not. Nothing the doctor would be happy with me about. Yeah. It actually works out okay until it doesn't. How you feeling? Keeping your weight off that leg? Yeah. Looks like it. The excursions are Lewis and Clark. Lewis was schizophrenic, so that's why the crazy one is Lewis. Hearing a little tick on the lifters here. That usually means I need to add a little oil. She just tried to start Lewis and his battery was dead, so we're gonna put the battery on the charger. What's my Tim and Laura just pulled up. How are you? Oh, you need one of these. I think Three Bears has them.
Okay, I'll get one.
Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, I get two. Oh. I get two. One to keep in the truck and one to keep in the house. Because if you go out and it's in the truck, then you got to open the truck, and sometimes it, you know, yeah. So, and then they break occasionally. Okay, that's enough winter chores for now. I think Tim's going to help me get some wood, and I think these guys you got a short time. They're working on their business, so not a whole lot of time to kill here. Well, I got a call a few days ago from Rodrigo. He bought a car at auction in Anchorage, and of course that means you've got a limited number of days to pick it up. But we are headed to Anchorage in a snowstorm. Typical fashion, I forgot the 7-pin to 4 flat pin trailer adapter, so we're gonna have to buy another one. We are at the Copart auction house, and Rodrigo's got his van coming out. Well, that's kind of interesting. Just an auction vehicle. He just bought it at auction. Never seen it. Doesn't look terrible. 4-wheel drive Astrovan. What are you thinking?
Get home.
Huh?
Dinner.
Rodrigo was talking to these truck drivers for this rig over here. Said the company flies them into airport in Seattle. They get in this truck, they drive it up here, drop off some trucks, pick up some more, and drive them back to Seattle area. So they're buying vehicles at auction here in Alaska and taking them back to Seattle. I don't know. Maybe they need more rusted vehicles in Seattle. I got a jump pack.
You got a jump pack? Let's go do it in the. We're gonna do that in the parking lot at Costco or wherever.
That's fine.
Go.
Yeah, that's fine. Not bad. Before you pull it in the drive, we need to wash it. You know, wash it off. So Courtney, you only get one chance to make a first impression.
You get a nice wax job.
Yeah, a little buffing. All right, we'll get back in the rig and head back home. We're gonna stop and get some lunch, I think. We've got a what is it? A wolf skinning class or just a skinning class in general?
It's general.
Just a general skinning class from the Alaska Trappers Association tomorrow morning, and Paul's going to be teaching it.
Yeah, so
Sorry about that.
so Ted's going to be one of them.
You want the jump pack?
I think we're gonna have to do that.
Huh?
So they got ramps. These are good little vehicles.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jump pack in the back of the truck.
It's behind your seat, behind the passenger seat there.
Yeah, and here's the headlamp. Right here.
Ready on this? Burritos and lots of snacks tomorrow.
Where is the battery on these things? If you're here, Paul.
He's over there. I can't lift that.
Okay, I got it.
Happy?
Yep.
And brakes work.
Brakes work.
Brakes work.
So it started up. That's fantastic. Only thing we found is the rocker panels are rusted out underneath the driver and the passenger side doors. So he's going to have to buy some new rocker panels and weld those in there. It starts.
I don't think
runs.
I've ever had one just went right off the trailer like this, guys. It's a blessing. We prayed over it.
Yeah.
No demons. All right. Woo. Wild. All right.
Paul and Rodrigo went on a grizzly bear hunt, Kodiak Island. Brown bear. Brown bear. Look at this.
Claws.
Yeah.
It's big.
So you pulled all
This
the.
is the skull off of this bear.
Okay.
It's off my black bear. I got this spring and then I found this one.
Okay, so this is brown bear and black bear.
Yeah.
Why does the brown bear have the fractured plates in the skull?
These are growth plates.
Okay.
So his skull keeps growing. This guy is so old he doesn't have growth plates anymore.
No more growing.
And
Okay.
this black bear was big enough to where he was losing his growth plates.
Okay.
So if they're
So that
young,
kind of
you'll
tells you
see
about
this.
how old they are then.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this guy is almost quit growing. That's a big black bear. And then this guy's was so old. Look at the teeth.
Yeah. That looks like my teeth.
Yeah. Compared to a younger one.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You pull all the meat off and you just salted this and you
Yes.
just let it sit and dry.
Yep, let it dry.
You got fans on. Well, I see a fan right there. So.
And then once it dries, I can fold it up, box it, and send it to get it tanned.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Hopefully, we'll get some filming of the fur handling class tomorrow. We'll see how that turns out.
So I turned the heater on,
Okay.
and it's warm.
It's warm.
Warm in here. And I've correlated that with the temperature gauge to see if it's going to go up.
Right. And is this because your Jeep doesn't get warm?
Right.
Ah.
The heater's out.
So you're giving your wife a heated car during the winter.
Yeah.
That's true love.
It's the luxuries of life in Alaska.
Yeah.
A beater with a heater.
A beater with a heater. Yeah, so these rocker panels down here are pretty shot. Well, we're going to take this trailer back, get Rodrigo back to his house, and then get back home. And that's going to be the end of our adventure. Uneventful. That's a good thing sometimes. I've got a system in place for the Hot Wheel cars. Prepaid shipping. This way I'm not paying a lot more because we live in Alaska. I just try to fill up the box as much as I can with cars, take a picture of them, and put them in the box and seal it up, and then post it on eBay. And whoever wins, I'll print out the label, stick it on the box, and ship it to them. That way I'm not trying to figure out how much things weigh and which box, just all at once. So here we go. There was a lot of concern about, did I talk to my daughter about the Hot Wheel cars? And the answer is yes, I did. And we came to the consensus that I would keep the ones I liked and I would sell the ones I didn't particularly care about. So there's quite a few that I kind of, whatever. I'll just sell those off and then keep the ones that I remember that have some meaning to me. Thank you so much for watching. We do appreciate it. We hope that you and your family have had a great Thanksgiving, and we will see you next week.